guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to show the unboxing and review of this Asus laptop, that is the Asus Vivobook x507. So without any further ado guys, let's get started. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see here, it says Asus. Yes, this is Asus, and at this side there are some barcodes, I would say, on the model number X507U. Here is the specifications. It says that it is powered by the Intel Core i3 6th gen processor, that is 6006U model number, and it has 4 GB of RAM, 1 TB of hard drive, and Windows 10 pre-installed. So that's amazing. It's the 64-bit Windows 10 software. Moving towards the back, here some battery information, that it is maybe inflammable, so don't fragile, I would say. And here are some more quick specifications. Wait, okay. So the color is gray, and OS I tell that Windows 10 64-bit, and it has power cord India and 50.6-inch Full HD ultra slim display. Here is the pricing and the import and the export date, you can see, and it is made in this year. That's because it is launched in May 2018. So a quick launch device, which is very amazing. Now opening up the box, you have to open like this. I have opened it first because to check the accessory is complete. Here it says Intel inside, and opening up the lid, it opens like this. Here is our laptop, which is nicely packed so that do not get any bumps or dubs, I would say. So in packing department, it is great. Opening here this section, it gives us the wall adapter. Not wall adapter, it is a cable which we see in laptops, and an other adapter which we have to connect this cable. As you okay, now in the box we also get some user guide and the Windows failure operation guide, and some inserts of incredible quick chart guide. So basically a bunch of guides. So here comes out our laptop, and as you can see, it is Asus branded, which is plastic but not feels plastic. It has a metal finish, I would say, and which feels very premium. You can see how the design looks like, and the Asus brand is reflective in this, which is embossed. And talking about the hinges, it has these types of hinges, not the block type, which you will get a better idea when I open this in a second. The back was also very neat, because in some laptops you see the battery is detachable and the RAM slots are also detachable, which maybe look some awkward, but not in this case. The battery is not detachable, which may be not useful for someone but may be useful for someone. So the battery is inside it, not detachable. Okay, so here are the speakers, two speakers. These are the 2-watt speakers, and which are powered by the Asus Sonic Master technology, which Asus claims that it is very powerful speakers. So we have to check how they work. And there are four rubber paddings rubber paddings. There are some vents. Okay, and this is some legal Asus input and other things, and a Windows logo. And the main thing is that I tell you the a bit ago that it is powered by the Windows 10, so which is great, I would say, because in sometimes we see laptops in this price range comes with DOS, but not this case. The Windows is pre-installed, which is very very amazing. So that's what it is. Talking about the ports, here is the DC port, which is the cable I show you, which goes in. Let me focus. Okay, now it is very well clear, I would say. Here the charger cable or the DC port goes. This is the USB 2.0 port, and so I have increased the aperture to see it better. And this the third one is the USB 3.0 port. Two LED indicators, one for notification and one for charging. This is the air or the fan vent from which the hot air comes out. The fan is placed inside it, and here is you can see the micro SD card slot goes. This is the HDMI, and this is a combined jack, 3.5 audio jack, which use for microphone as well as the your headphone jack. The front side is neat, nothing there but just a bump up to open the lid. The left side is clean, it has no DVD writer, and another USB 2.0 and a lock, that is constant lock, I would say. So opening up our laptop, it opens like this. It opens up like this. Let's remove this plastic cloth. So here's our laptop. It is that damn looking. And talking about the display, it is a 15.6-inch full HD display with a 1920 by 1080p panel, resolution. And this is an anti-glare panel, which means that it does not give any reflection, so taking it to the bright light will not be an issue. So here is the webcam, and this is the light which shows that camera is on, and this is a microphone, and this is another microphone, and this is the glorious display. So this is the main USB of this laptop, that it has nano edge bezels, which I am showing you. See how thin bezels it is. It is from the sides, not the top and the bottom. The top and the bottom are a bit thick, but these are very small. Maybe you think that it is not as good in the camera, but believe me guys, in real life it is very thin, and which looks more premium when I start up the laptop. Okay, the display has a Asus branding at the bottom. This is our keyboard, and it has some matte finish which feels premium as well as cool, I would say. And talking about the keyboard is very tactile. As you can see, typing is will not be an issue, and the keys are as you can see, very well placed. They are very okay gaps, so that you can't feel very clusters between the keys. And these have the shortcut keys. And the thing to note guys, the caps lock button does not have the LED notification light, so this thing might not be a very big issue, but maybe. This is our trackpad. It is a very well placed trackpad with two buttons here, the left and the right. Okay, and they are very nicely tactile and very easy to touch. And this trackpad also supports gestures, windows gestures, 3 finger, 2 finger, and so. And the thing you are seeing, this is the fingerprint scanner, which is the very main USB of this laptop. It has a fingerprint scanner guys. In this price range, I don't think so any other laptop has a fingerprint scanner, which is very amazing. It has Windows Hello, BIOS logging. So it has three options: password, pin, or fingerprint, but I can log in with my finger, so you get an idea how fast it is and how accurate. Okay, I am taking my finger, and Windows Hello, and it works very perfectly. Okay, now it starts, and see that display, and very glorious display. Okay, maybe you get a better idea when you see it in real life. And the cursor is fast and responsive. Here are the windows, you can see as usual, and the windows gestures are working perfectly. See, no lag in it. I couldn't find any lag at that time. Here are the quick toggles. Are you seeing? So it has Intel integrated 520 HD graphics, which is great. Not a very big gaming graphic card, but a normal graphic card you are getting in this laptop. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope you get more information about this laptop. And so you can get it from exclusively from Paytm Mall. Okay, and please do subscribe my channel. If you like it, give it as a thumbs up. And for more videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get easily notified. So thanks for watching this video, and peace out.